Today, I'm teaching you how to create a Revolut account. So I'm going to be completely honest with you. I'm on computer, but this is also partially a phone tutorial as it is an app. It was an app before it was a website, so keep that in mind. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and type in Revolut on your Google search. Go ahead and click this. Once you're here, what you're going to want to do is select the country that you're in. So obviously, if you're from the United States, go ahead and click United States. If you're from the United Kingdom, go ahead and click the United Kingdom. Or if you're from an international country, go ahead and choose another country, as it'll give you a prompt to basically select any single country that you could be from. And if you're not on here, it may not be supported in your country. So keep that in mind. So basically the main thing you want to do is create an actual login. So I'm going to go ahead and open up an incognito because I'm already signed in. And this is what it's going to look like. So it's either going to look like welcome back if you already have an account, or you can create an account, which will then lead you onto here. And as you can see, it requests you to get the Revolut app. So a lot of it is done through the phone. And this Revolut app is essentially both on Google Play, as you can see here, Revolut Spend, Save, and Trade, or the App Store, Revolut Send, Spend, and Save. And so you could choose either one of these. They're basically the same process. And here they're going to lead you down the sign up process, which is your mobile phone number. They're going to send you a verification code. It's usually a 6-digit code, and you just put it in and it lets you sign up for it. So after you've gotten past that point, what it's also going to ask you for is basically it's going to ask you for identity verification using a quick photo of your face. Alongside your face is going to ask you for your ID, your passport, or any other KYC verification, at least specific to the US. But after you get past this portion of it, then all of a sudden you're going to have your account logged into. So you're going to be most likely on your homepage. Here's where you link your debit card. So it's as simple as funding this essentially. And you could use any debit card that you have access to basically top up your account. Then after that, you're free to do whatever you want with it, create virtual cards, or basically send or receive money, or even exchange currencies and invest. So keep in mind there are some issues with this. One person can only make one Revolut personal account, but you can also make a Revolut business account, a Revolut trading account. But what this basically says is one person can make each of these accounts. So you cannot make two personal accounts. This is not allowed. Another thing as well is there are some country restrictions. Revolut is not supported by all countries, unfortunately. So if you do still want access to Revolut, you may need a VPN, but I don't really suggest this as it's, just keep that in mind. There is an age requirement. The age requirement is 18 plus, so you need to be 18 plus to actually use Revolut or even make purchases with Revolut. So keep this in mind. Your ID must match your name, or this will get in the way. And this could also lead to your account basically being either rejected or even frozen from access. So be careful. And top up, there are limits of how much money you can put into this. And usually they block initial top-ups for Revolut as you're a new user with no history. And the easiest way to solve this is by contacting customer support. If this was helpful, consider subscribing and have a good one.